Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about vectors, so now I will show you how to answer. Assume that vector u and vector v are vectors in R to the power of 3. This is about the space 3D, with the magnitude of vector u equals to number 1 and the magnitude of vector v equals to number 2, and the angle between vector u and vector v is b over 3. We need to compute about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. Now we need to set up about vector u equals to abc and vector v, that's about DEF. We know that the angle between vector u and vector v, that's about b over 3. So we have cosine theta equals to vector u. We have the dot product with vector v, and then we have the magnitude of vector u going here, and this one going here. Now we need to find about this one in here. So we put b over 3 going here. And this one we have number 1. This one we have number 2. And now we can find about the dot product between u and v. That should be about number 2 multiplied by cosine b over 3. So we will have about number 1. So the dot product about u and v, that should be about a multiplied by d plus b multiplied by e plus c multiplied by f. Now we have the magnitude of this one and this one. So in this situation, 2u minus 3v, that should be about, we have number 2 multiplied by a, number 2 multiplied by a, b and c, number 3 multiplied by d, e and f. So we will have about 2a minus 3d, and we have 2b minus 3e, 2c minus 3f. So if we put inside this one, you will have about the square root of 2a minus 3d square plus 2b minus 3e square plus 2c minus 3f square. Now if we expand this one, we will have about 4a square minus 12ad plus 9d square plus 4b square minus 12be plus 9e square plus 4c square minus 12cf plus 9f square. Next, we have 4, 4 and 4, 12, 12 and 12, 9, 9 and 9. We can do about factorization in here. So we know that the magnitude of number the magnitude of vector u. That's about number 1. So that should be about the square root of a square plus b square plus c square equals to number 1. So we put the square for the both sides. You got a square plus b square plus c square equals to number 1. Similar for the next one. So we will have the square root of d square plus e square plus f square equals to number 2. So we put the square for the both sides. We cancel about the square root. And we have 2 square in here. 2 square equals to number 4. And now this one in here equals to number 1. This one in here equals to number 1. And this one in here equals to number 4. We calculate about this one and we can get the final answer. That's about number 2 multiplied by the square root of number 7. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.